You're not gonna believe what I'm using frozen fruit in today. I'm using it in cinnamon buns, that's right. These are little morsels of rhubarb in Ooey Gooey cinnamon buns. Now this is an instant where I want to thaw and drain my rhubarb really well. Set that aside while I prepare my mixture. Softened butter, brown sugar, 1/4 cup of jam, then about a teaspoon of cinnamon. Work that all together. I'll take half of this and I'm gonna put it in the bottom of my pan. There, and spreading it evenly over the dough. A little hint of tart here and there. So, you know, just spread it around. Now let's roll these babies up. And then you just put them in there. There they are. Most rewarding part. As soon as it comes out of the oven, you're gonna take another sheet, put it on top, and flip. Give it a little pat. Oh yeah, baby. Oops. Dang. Anyway. Oh yeah, baby.